Hello, and thank you for taking time to review the steps to create and edit a resume template through Hiration. Upon logging into Hiration, you will be routed to the Resume Builder dashboard. The first step in creating a resume is to click the plus icon to create a new resume. From there, you can peruse a variety of resume designs and select whichever you find most appealing. If you want to preview any of these designs before you select the template, simply click the magnifying icon on the upper right-hand corner to preview. As suggested, you simply will select the Select Template box to proceed with the desired design. From there, you have the option to either upload an existing resume or, as we recommend, select Create a New Resume. This option will allow you to access our inventory of pre-formatted programmatic resume templates that our team created to align with industry standards, as well as from the feedback provided from faculty and employers. You will notice that we offer both entry level and industry experience level formats. Once you find your programmatic template, simply left click to populate the draft. You'll notice that your contact information is auto-filled based upon your profile. At this point, you're now tasked to update the various sections to ensure they represent your skills, experience, education, and training. Making edits to sections are easy. You simply hover over the desired area you're looking to edit, click on the mouse, and begin making edits. Any changes are saved in real time. Please be sure to review our additional Hiration tutorial that outlines how to use the Resume Review Center and ChatGPT function to finalize your resume document and begin sharing with employers.